White vinegar and lemon juice make effective non-chemical deterrents for ants when used correctly. Start by wiping all food contact and high-traffic surfaces with a solution of equal parts white vinegar and warm water, applied with a clean cloth and allowed to air dry so the strong scent masks pheromone trails. For sticky residues and grout lines, pour straight white vinegar into a spray bottle, let it sit on the spot for 30 seconds, then scrub with a brush and rinse. The acidity dissolves residues, ants follow. Use fresh lemon juice on counters and windowsills where vinegar scent might be unwelcome, rubbing the juice into cracks and crevices and letting it dry to leave an acidic barrier. Steam cleaning hard floors and baseboards twice a month removes crumbs, oils, and microscopic scent trails without chemicals. Move furniture and focus along edges where ants travel. Keep trash sealed in biodegradable bags and take it out daily to eliminate food odors, and rinse recycling before storage to prevent attraction. Finally, maintain a dry environment by fixing leaks and using desiccant packets in cabinets to reduce the moisture ants seek. A common mistake is spraying vinegar too diluted, which only cleans but does not disrupt pheromone trails, so use equal parts vinegar and warm water for spraying and straight vinegar for spot treatment. People often ignore entry points like window frames and door thresholds, so inspect and wipe those areas and plug gaps with caulk or weather stripping. Many rely solely on surface cleaning and forget routine deep cleaning, so schedule monthly steam cleaning and thorough drawer and pantry inspections to remove hidden residues. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find reviews and project ideas related to non-chemical pest prevention. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and post local recommendations.